3D printers are no longer stuff of science fiction. Whether you have a business that will benefit from one, or you simply have deep pockets and want a new toy to play with, you'll be happy to know that they're more accessible than ever. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 3D printers on the market this year, based on price, performance, features, and situations they will be used in. We will be taking a look at 3D printers in every price range, so whether you're looking for an entry-level printer or one that delivers professional results, we will have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which 3D printer will be best for you, stay tuned. And as always, all the links to find the best prices for all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, make sure to check the description. All the products in this video are in no exact order, so make sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. We will start with number 1, the ANYCUBIC Mega S. ANYCUBIC is a high-tech Chinese company founded in 2015 that specializes in 3D printing technologies. The company is best known for its ANYCUBIC Mega series, which includes the ANYCUBIC Mega S FDM printer since 2019. ANYCUBIC Mega S prints parts which can measure up to 210 by 210 by 205 millimeters in TPU, PLA, ABS, HIPS and wood. The material is extruded by a nozzle with a maximum temperature of 260 degrees centigrade and a maximum speed of 20 to 100 millimeters per second. The accuracy is 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters. Generally speaking, ANYCUBIC Mega S has a good price-performance ratio, but it's still more suitable for hobby use. The Endus 3 is a desktop 3D printer that comes in the form of a DIY kit. It is produced by Creality, a manufacturer of 3D printers and 3D printing related products based in China. The company produces and sells a range of affordable desktop machines based on multiple 3D printing technologies. Its most popular machines are based on fused deposition modeling, or FDM. As is the case with the Ender 3, most users of Ender 3 are either makers or hobbyists that enjoy simplicity, affordability and reliability. This machine boasts a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters and a printing precision of 0.1 millimeters. The standard nozzle diameter is 0.4 millimeters, but it can also be 0.3 or 0.2 and can heat up to 255 degrees Celsius. Ender 3 can print with 1.75 filament such as ABS, PLA, TPU, wood or copper. Number 3. The DREMEL DIGILAB 3D45. The DIGILAB 3D45 is part of the range of FDM machines from the American manufacturer DREMEL. What distinguishes it from its sister models is the integration of a heating plate capable of reaching 100 degrees Celsius and an extruder capable of reaching up to 280 degrees Celsius. It is able to process a wide range of thermoplastics such as ABS or PETG. It offers a maximum printing volume of 255 by 155 by 170 millimeters and a 4.5 inch touchscreen. The DREMEL DIGILAB 3D45 is also equipped with a camera to monitor the printing process. Practical and compact, this makes it one of the most popular 3D printers on Amazon. Number 4. The FLASHFORGE Finder. Developed by Chinese manufacturer FLASHFORGE Technology in 2015, the Finder has a maximum printing volume of 140 by 140 by 140 millimeters, with an accuracy of 50 microns. Being compatible with PLA filaments, the 3D printer has automatic calibration and control display to facilitate the user experience. Due to its ease of use and compact design, The Finder is ideal for the education sector and children who want to get started in 3D printing. It can be connected through Wi-Fi or by means of a USB cable. Number 5. The JGMAKER Magic DIY. The Magic DIY 3D printer from JGMAKER is a machine that is very easy to assemble. You should easily be done in 20 minutes. The frame is made from sturdy metal, and despite the simplicity of the assembly process, it offers a filament sensor and power failure detection. The nozzle temperature can be adjusted between 180 and 245 degrees Celsius, and the bed temperature can reach up to 110 degrees Celsius. It offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, why don't you consider subscribing? We do our best to keep you up to date on all the latest and greatest products available, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, all the cheapest prices for these products online can be found in the description of every video. Hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.